Hey COA fam, I just got this in the mail. No, you're not asking for a video acceptance speech anymore, but I have been planning on doing this because I looked back in the group at other people's videos about how they got their 10K, and I am ready to give that belief transference to you, the people coming after I joined who haven't gotten here yet. I want to tell you that I was starting from scratch. I haven't made any money of significance in almost a decade. I've been a stay-at-home mom, but I knew I had a great idea that could help people, and I am very passionate about it. So when I joined COA, I decided that this investment in myself was gonna be it. This is my chance, and this is your chance. Everything you need is within the program. Just believe in yourself. What I did was listen to everything that I learned, followed the steps, those key habits, empowered language, logging in every day, do it fast, repeat modules. They're so important. Show up to support other people. Thank you everyone for your support. I am really proud of myself, and I can't wait to see your acceptance speech. Go for it.